Okay, so this customer here in Guelph is hearing running up in their ceilings, up in the upper portion of the house up there. Basically what we're going to do is a quick inspection. We're going to take a look at the side of the house where most of the activity is being heard and see if we can figure it out. So now the customer was hearing things up where all that foam is being seen up there. Hopefully you're getting a good shot of that. Yeah, so one did kind of a shoddy job of trying to seal up this not so nice looking portion of the house right here. It's all spray foamed in. That's usually nothing for squirrels to get through, but I don't actually see an entry point right here. But over to my right here, you can see where they've just blasted a hole right through the siding, right, went right over top of the flashing here, and right up into the upper portion of the house. So yeah, they've been pulling insulation out, but you can see the chew marks here. This is all clearly squirrel activity. And this is sort of kind of what'll be going on. Got this laid out here, this mesh. We're gonna start putting screws into it. That's gonna seal off this area. We're also gonna cover up everything in here too to avoid them doing that again anywhere in here. We're gonna seal up these intersections. And this is kind of what the guarding for this part looks like here. It's enough to support my weight. There's nothing getting in underneath that, so they won't be able to chew up any of this wood. Okay, so this is kind of the game plan here. We're going to cover this whole piece with fitted sheet of mesh. Right now I'm just getting this one piece in here and ready. And then once we get it all the way dialed across, we'll cut a hole in here, fit this puppy with a door, and yeah, get rid of the squirrels. Okay, so we're just going to put the last couple of finishing touches on the door here. Got it jammed in. We're just going to lay in a wood screw here. It's going to be floating a little, but overall be nice and sturdy. Right there like that. So that's nice and sturdy. Flap works good. Okay, so plumbing vent 101. The main thing we want to do is stop them from chewing into this rubbery portion on the bottom and from going up and through the cap. So the first thing we're going to do is get a piece ready and clip off the ends. I want to try to fit it somewhere right around there. What I like to do is get this out and get it grounded. Right there. Same thing over here. Up here. Bend it right over the cap. There, that's solid, nothing's going in there. Okay, so what we're going to do in here is just reinforce this bat proofing that's already in there. This stuff will be pretty effective for bats, but the customer's gotten us to reinforce it with something a little thicker. So that's what we're going to do here. Right in here. Okay, get a copper elastic. Squeeze a shot right there. Another shot up here. Good to go. I like to leave these spikes out here. It really kind of helps them not try to dive underneath. And yeah, that's just basically reinforcing the bat proofing they've already done, but just with something a little more solid.